many more people, according to my experience, like they have a lot of vocabulary, but they have fear. They cannot speak in front of public. Sometimes they try, but they think if I speak here, people start laughing at me. So
Okay.
that's why how they can remove their fear, sir.
Yes, this is very genuine issue of the students, and I think the fear is just a kind of concept which is created by the students in their mind by themselves. It is just a matter of removing the fear by their attempt. If they try to speak and if they are given opportunities, means they are taught in such a way that they are given some practice in which they participate more, with the pass of time the fear can be removed. Fear can be removed by themselves as well. If they determine themselves like this is their target, they have to achieve these things, and from these things they can get a lot of success. This can also help them to remove fear. And there are certain practices, right? First thing which comes in fear, that is the fear of the other people. So the person can start alone by locking the door, practicing different questions and responding to those questions, like the speaker and the receiver. Both roles are adopted by the student. And if these both roles are adopted, like first the student speak up the questions and then responds it, and the best thing is that can record his own sound, can listen it, and can practice in front of the mirror. Sometimes the fear is just like the student believes that how he looks, how his or her facial expression seem, but when the student practices in front of mirror, such types of fears are removed. Sometimes there is a fear of voice. Some people speak, but their voice is very limited, means they are not speaking to a far length. So if they are alone in the room and if they do practice, like they have to speak louder as much as they can speak. So it means this rehearsal will help them to improve their initial confidence of their sound. The sound when it reaches louder to the other people, and of course that also removes fear. One fear is of the public speaking, right? So in order to remove this fear, we have to interact with the other people. So at initial levels, the interaction comes with the own fellows, just like a student can talk to brother or sister, can participate in discussion, can involve friends, classmates in the discussion, so that they can start developing their habit to talk in front of others. Then they start making a little detailed data regarding any topic and speaking in front of 2 or 3 or 4 persons in a small groups. So when practicing in front of individual, then in front of small groups, and then finally in front of a bigger public. Of course, when we practice, but nothing is improved one day, it is improved step by step. So practice by these steps can remove their fears. There are so many things which help to remove fear. Inside fear, that can only be removed by the student himself. The student has to realize that this is not a difficult thing.